Your swimming pool is a place where you and your family can have fun and cool off on a hot day. But did you know that maintaining the proper pH balance in your pool is essential, not only for the health of your pool, but also for the health of you and your loved ones? In this video, we'll discuss the surprising effects of pH imbalance on your pool and your health, and why it's important to test and maintain the right pH balance in your pool. Did you know that an imbalanced pH in your pool can cause respiratory problems? High levels of acidity in the water can irritate your lungs and make it difficult to breathe, especially for people with asthma or other respiratory conditions. An imbalanced pH can also cause skin and eye irritation. High levels of acidity can cause your eyes to become red and irritated, and your skin to feel itchy or dry. This can particularly be uncomfortable for children or people with sensitive skin. In addition to skin and eye irritation, an imbalanced pH can also cause rashes and infections. When the pH level is too high, it can create an environment where harmful bacteria and other microorganisms can thrive, increasing the risk of infections and rashes. And let's not forget about the effect of pH imbalance on the health of your pool. When the pH level is off, it can cause your pool to become cloudy, green, or even turn your hair green. The good news is maintaining the proper pH balance in your pool is easy with the right tools and knowledge. Use the Sutro monitor to regularly test your pool water and adjust the pH level as needed using chemicals like muriatic acid or soda ash. Keeping the pH levels between 7.2 and 7.8 is ideal for a safe and comfortable swimming experience. So remember to test and adjust the pH level in your pool regularly, not only for the health of your pool, but for the health of you and your loved ones. To learn more about Sutro, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy swimming.